Hey guys, hey YouTube, this is just a quick video about how I'm replacing my old Whirlpool. It only lasted about 2 years. I think the pump's dead, but also the heating element's dead. But I went ahead and just bought a new Whirlpool anyway. The new one is the one with the 3-drawer series, so basically you have a little drawer at the top that's a utensil area. The way they look like inside, let's see. So you can see that this one has more space actually, and it has this top area for washing utensils, forks, knives, spoons, etc., etc. Still has that middle rack here, and obviously the bottom. This one is just an old style where you would put your forks and spoons there. And then you just have 2 drawer spaces. But yeah, very simple install. This one, it's easier to hook up the electrical on this one, kind of. Look forward to using it. It looks like also on the new series here, they upgraded the drainage system, and you can see that this little contraption here is brand new. So I don't even know. I'm not quite sure what this is for, but before the drain hose would go directly from the motor just to the sink. Now Whirlpool added this, so I'm kind of curious as to what it exactly does, but it's definitely different. So yeah, I mean it's definitely a little bit different. So we'll see where that goes. Anyway.
Watch it, Bubba. Watch it, Bubba. I love you. Watch it.
Oh shit. Blow it out. If you're not scared of bacteria, do what I did, just to blow the water out into the sink. If not, you're gonna get drips. All right. Madeline, shush. Okay, we gotta remove this electrical box and we gotta take this plug off. So we have to wire it. Very simple. Very simple. White goes with white, black goes with black. There you go, just like that. And our electrical plug's free. Okay, down. Watch out, Alan, watch out. Okay, gently. That, okay. It's a little bit different. That's interesting. That, okay. That. All right. Just like that. Ah, this is nicely made too. Check that out. They have this wired even better. These newer style units. I like that. Secure it down. Well, it's probably better if I just use a hand tool. Yeah.
its side?
It's fine. I can get this electrical thing installed. All right. Back on. Done. We're gonna install it here. It looks like it's gonna route up here. That's all. Yeah, well secured on there. There we go. Should have done it the other way the first time. Oh well. Oh, it's over. Okay. So this will go directly to the sink drain on the side. I think I'm ready to pick it up and install. Okay, before you lug it in, it's important. Let's adjust the height to make it. Let's make it as close to the original height that the other one was at. So there's little feet that you just twist. Right down. It's plastic feet, so it's not at all. Thank you. You're a rock star.
You know.
Okay, route the power cord through. connection here. This is from it goes to your drain, and then this goes to the machine to connect it here. This is applied with the unit. This should be already installed on your house, and and then this is also supplied with the unit. And then you're gonna just kind of get it started pushing. Just help me, guide me slowly. Hold on, let me grab each of this hose. Oh, shit. Okay. Everything good on that side? Okay, make sure this side gets through. Come on, get through, get through. Good?
Yeah, hold on.
I'm gonna grab. I think it's such a shitty Allen wrench. It's a float.
Oh, I can't not believe seafood.
Gotta plug it in, turn the water on. Don't put the bottom cover back on yet. Make sure it doesn't leak. So plug it in. Back on. Do you have a flashlight? Oh, here. Got my phone. No leaks so far, so good. Okay, like I said before installing the bottom cover, make sure it doesn't leak. Run a quick cycle, look at the bottom of the floor, and observe your drain lines with the flashlight. Make sure it's draining out to the sink and there's no drips anywhere. That's how you install Whirlpool with the 3 rack. I'll put the model number in the description, and let me know if this helped you guys out.